Good morning, and thank you, Justin, for your daily market update. Unfortunately, it seems like we've got 2 days in a row when things are getting a little worse. As Justin just reported, the market as of early this morning was 16 basis points worse than yesterday. So let's take a look and see, what that does to our the two tests that we're following, basically, which is a 3% down conventional mortgage with a borrower purchasing a property valued at $500,000. By putting 3% down, they would need $15,000. The loan amount would then be $485,000, and as you can see, that's a loan to value of 97%. So when we use those parameters, we use a 22-day lock, and what we get is that the best interest rate would be on a conforming conventional 30-year fixed, as you can see here. The rate is 6.561. That would make the principal and interest payment on this 30-year fixed as $3,085.01. That's the same as the Home One 30-year fixed. And then finally, the special zero down in which United Wholesale Mortgage loans the 3% down payment to the borrower with no interest and no payment due date, simply due date of whenever the property is sold or refinanced. That rate is 6.836, making the mortgage payment for principal and interest $3,173.48. Now, please remember that there are additional costs. As you can see, United Wholesale Mortgage has what they call their elite mortgage insurance, and which means it's lower than almost every other mortgage company in the country. And with the 3% down, the MI mortgage insurance is $97 per month. In addition, you don't have your real estate taxes and your homeowner's insurance, because until you identify a property, we wouldn't know what that is. So how does that affect and compare with what's been going on? So you see here, today, that 16 basis points worse means that the mortgage payment on the 3% down program would change from 6.416 to 6.561, and that means that the monthly mortgage principal and interest payment would increase by $26.22. The zero down, that interest rate switches from 6.750 to 6.836, and that means that the zero down, where the borrower is paying 27%, 97% of the purchase price, that would increase by $27.78. How does all that compare? If we started here on June the 3rd with $3,048.01 as the principal and interest on the 3% down. It got better on June the 4th. It got better again on June the 5th, and then it got worse on Thursday the 6th, and again worse today. So as far as what are we talking about? Well, we started the week with principal and interest being $3,048.01. We end with it being $3,085. So you can see, not good news, but basically the standard situation in which we know that the interest rate is fluctuating daily because the market is fluctuating daily, and that trend will probably continue for extended periods of time. So that again is the week in review and today's rates. As you can see, pretty quick and easy to enter the parameters in price of loan, simply putting in the product, what kind of a loan you want, whether it be conventional, FHA, VA, USDA. Plug that information in, put in the purchase price and the amount of the loan, plug in your credit score, a few more, things like the lock period. If we were going to lock this rate today, we'd have to close by July the 1st, completely doable with United Wholesale Mortgage. So if you would be interested in getting an idea of what your payment might be, please give me a call. My name is, of course, Lynn Chase, Colorado Springs mortgage originator. My number is 719-360-6015. Again, 719-360-6015. Or you could email me at Lynn, Lynn, at ageinplacemortgagecompany.com. Thank you for your interest in following the daily fluctuations of the mortgage market here in Colorado Springs, and have a great weekend.